She was a cold night, but I was warm. Toasty warm. Even kept the windows open a little bit, just for the old condensation. Oh, she's foggy out there. Foggy start to the day. I think fire's out as I expected. Clear skies. I think it might be time to get up. What's the time? 7:40. Bit of a sleep in. Gotta love that in winter. Ah. Well, might get up and have a coffee. Get a little fire going for that. And then a hot breakfast, I think. Oh, gotta wake up. Oh, good night's sleep, that's for sure. Alright, let's get up. I should really invest in some boots or something. Beautiful one. Can hardly see the hut with the fog. Oh, think I might get some little fire going. Oh, jeez. It's cold. Sun's coming, which is good. Oh, let's get some shit. Oh, time for a coffee. Huh, there's ice on everything. Oh no. That shows how cold it was. That's cool. Alright. Definitely cold. Oh. Oh. Once that sun gets up, it's going to be nice when it's fully up. Get this fire going. Be able to have a hot cuppa and then make a hot breakfast. Oh, I need a little bit more wood. Fingers crossed that gets hot quick. No hot chocolate this morning. The coffee. The cheap version. Oh, ow. Oh, everything is frozen. Oh. Oh. This morning I'm going to have toasted sandwiches in the sandwich maker that I stole from the wife. Oh. Baked beans and cheese, I think. I'm hoping the inverter can handle it. How many watts is it? It's only 1,000 watts, it should. This will be a bit of a test. Alright, so we'll see what happens. Oh, let's plug it in and just see. Got power. That's a win. What I'm going to have is baked beans and cheese toasted sandwich. Don't knock it unless you tried it. It's so good. Oh. Good to go. Yeah, that's warm. That's like it. Oh. Be back in a minute. Let it cook for a bit. It's working. I'm happy. Just gotta sneak it back in the house so the wife doesn't see. Water's boiled. And I think my sandwiches are ready. Oh yes. Let's unplug that. Oh, check this out. Oh, whoops, nearly tripped. Oh, how good's that for breakfast, eh? Fresh. Toasty sandwiches. Oh, living the dream. And the fire's got a little bit left. What a morning. Well, dishes are all done. Sun's slowly coming down. It's drying out at least the rooftop tent. Oh, it's cold. Probably about 5 degrees. Ice on the windows, but yeah. And the car. And the mirrors. All over it. It's pretty cool. Yeah. Should think about heading out, but I'm just going to sit here for a while and enjoy it. Well, stand, because I can't really bother getting the chair out. And, yeah. Just take it all in, because I don't know if I'll be back here for quite some time. I might go have a look at the hut one more time. Well, I think it might be time to pack up. It's like 8:45. Normally I'm well and truly packed up by now. But I'm enjoying just sitting here and chilling. I know, I'm not sitting, but just hanging around here. Well, that's everything packed up. Just the rooftop today. And then hit the road. All done. Now, let's get out of here. hoping I can get out without any problem. Some of the hills that come down look pretty steep and soft going up, so just gonna have to play it by ear and hope I can get out. A little bit more right foot might be needed. We'll find out. Give it a go. That looks steep and soft, but we'll give it a go. Let's see if we can get up there. Hold on. Easy. Well, I don't think I'm going to have any trouble getting out. That was my main concern, that one. But yeah, I was worried over nothing. Well, that's the end of this trip. Heading off to some Salt Lakes now to have a look in the camp. If you like this kind of stuff, subscribe, like, and you know, all that jazz they say to do on YouTube. If not, thanks for watching anyway. See you at the next spot.